Malcolm, I'll get this fuel truck into position if you can keep everyone back while we refuel the boats.
Roger that, Sam.
Sam, when I said my fishing boat was almost out of fuel, I didn't realise you'd go and fetch 5,000 gallons. It's refueling day for all the boats, Charlie. But you can go first. Thanks, Sam. I'll bring mine around.
I wonder where these have come from.
Doop-a-doop-a-doo-doop-a-doop. Oh, Bronwyn! I'm putting on a drum show. Have you seen me posters?
They're a bit hard to miss, Mike.
Opera spectacular with the great Normansky. Everybody will love my new magic show. James, Sarah, you have to come to my magic show. It will be the most wizardy show ever.
Hey, you do know there's another show on the same day, don't you, Norman?
What? What other show?
That one?
Oh, what in the name of James's underpants is going on? Who's drum major?
I think that might be my dad.
Well, he can't have a show on the same day. I won't allow it.
Hey, you shouldn't do that, Norman.
But there's only room for one show in Pontypandy, Mandy. Mine!
Doop-a-doop-a-doo-a-diddly-doo. What's this? Oi! Norman Price! Those are my posters you're vandalising! And what's all this about you doing your show at the same time as mine?
No, actually, your show is the same time as mine.
Maybe you could both come to an agreement?
No way! I've been practicing my paradiddles for weeks. I'm sorry, Norman, you'll just have to cancel.
No, you'll have to cancel.
I said it first.
Dad, you're being childish.
Mine!
No, mine.
Mine!
Get off.
Will you two behave yourselves?
Oh, drumsticks!
OK, we're ready to begin. Malcolm?
All safe here, Sam. Huh. We have a serious litter bug on our hands. Any idea who Drum Major is?
I suspect it could be someone who hammers as loud as he drums.
Ah, Mike Flood. I've heard about his drumming. Well, I'm sure if I follow this line of posters, I'll find him soon enough.
But my show is what the public wants.
And mine is opera spectacular.
Oh, stop squabbling, you two!
Guys, you can't just stick posters everywhere. Certainly not on public walls, lampposts, trees, or each other.
Oh, right.
You need to find a different way to promote your shows. Okay?
OK, Malcolm.
Yes, PC Williams.
And please take these posters down.
Hey! Where are you two going?
Plan B.
Ready, Sam? OK, Charlie.
Norman! You should be taking down these posters, not me!
I will, Mandy. But first, ta-da! Everyone passing by will see the great Normansky billboard. Beat that, Drum Major.
Wow, Dad, that's well impressive!
Oh, just a little something I knocked together. May the best billboard win, Norman!
Oh!
Norman, where are you going now?
To stop that billboard! I'll show Mike who's got the best billboard.
Hey!
Oopsie.
Norman, what have you done? Great billboard of fire! It's heading for the quay! We better call Fireman Sam!
A flaming billboard has set fire to a fuel truck on Pontypandy Quay.
A flaming billboard has set fire to a fuel truck on Pontypandy Quay.
Please clear the area immediately.
Malcolm, I need your help to operate Titan's second water cannon.
But I'm not a trained firefighter, Sam.
I know, but we need to move fast. The safety of Pontypandy is at stake.
Let's do it.
Ben, take us out to a safe distance. Okay, Malcolm, hold it steady, aim, and fire. Got it! Penny, we can't reach the fire on the opposite side of the truck, so we'll try and keep the fuel tank cool until you arrive.
We're almost there, Sam. We'll need to tackle this fire with foam, Elvis.
Roger that, Penny.
Now let's get those smaller fires out too. Fires are all out, Sam.
And the fuel truck has cooled off.
There's no danger of it exploding now. Thanks, Malcolm. If you ever think of leaving the police force, you'd make an excellent firefighter.
Thanks, Sam. But I think I'll leave the firefighting to you guys. Did that runaway billboard have anything to do with you two, by any chance?
Yes, except for the runaway part.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was jealous that Mike's spectacular billboard would get more people going to his show.
I think you two need a safer way to tell everyone about your shows.
Perhaps even work with each other? Put on a really special show.
Oh, I never thought of that. Magic and drums.
I think you'll find that's drums and magic.
I see you managed to get all those posters down, Malcolm.
Well, I do like to keep Pontypandy tidy.
Ta-da!
Shall I get the dustpan and brush?
Might be best to wait till the end of the show, Sam.
Come back, you rolling rascal!
For I have been sailing to lands far and distant, but I will return through the waves, wind and foam. We've remembered Sam. Some things you never forget, Charlie. Like how much fun it is to have a brother's weekend. Just listen to that peace and quiet.
I'm going to set up the tent. No, I am. I'm the best camper. Stop pulling! No, you stop pulling. I had it first. That doesn't matter. Just let me do it. Stop it, you two.
You're making my ears hurt.
Now, there's plenty of tent for everyone.
Station Officer Steele?
Oh, Sam, and Charlie.
Oh, hi, Uncle Sam. Great to see you, Uncle Sam.
Hello. I'm here too.
Oh, hi, Dad.
I thought you were taking the cadets on a camping safety trip in the mountains, Station Officer Steele. Yes, but then he had a really good idea that as it was so nice and sunny, we should come to Pontypandy Island instead. Ah, a really good idea indeed. But just a teeny bit of a shame that Charlie and I have come here for a quiet weekend.
Oh, never fear. The cadets won't be any trouble. I've got a whole list of activities to keep them busy.
Right then. Charlie and I will find somewhere, out of your way. Oh, just one thing. Is Penny in charge of the fire station?
Affirmative.
Oh, good. Well, Pontypandy's in safe hands then.
Station Officer Steele, what does this do? Whoa! Oopsie!
Actually, with Norman Price here on the island, just how much trouble could there be back in Pontypandy?
Don't worry, Willie. Gotcha.
Take us down, Tom.
Nice work, Penny.
Thanks, Arnold.
This should do it. The perfect campsite. And it's nice and quiet. There's even a creek. I can teach my big brother a few fishing tricks.
This way, cadets. Oh, Sam, so sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you.
Ah, don't worry, sir. We were just, passing through. Right, Charlie? Right, Sam.
Now, cadets, this clearing is the perfect, safe location to show you how to light a campfire using only flint stones. Now, let's see. You just hit them like this, to get a spark.
I bet I could do that.
I could do it better.
Ah, yes. Here we go.
I hope you're better at putting out fires than you are at lighting them, Station Officer Steele.
Yes, well, you get the idea. Now, cadets, back to the beach for a safety training session. We'll need to get some matches from the boat. Come on, cadets, follow me.
I bet I can get a fire going before you can.
I bet you can't.
James? Sarah? Come along.
I knew you couldn't light a fire.
I'd have done it if I'd had a bit more time.
That's it, Penny. Give it all you got.
Roger that, Ben.
Oh, thanks, Penny.
No problem, Mike. And watch out for those waves.
Don't worry, I will. A place all to ourselves. We can finally relax. Oh, no. I don't believe it. Look, a fire. Oh, I've got no signal. Me neither. We need to make sure the cadets are safe. But how will we find them? Shh, listen.
Mine will be much better.
No, it won't.
This way.
Good work, Ben.
Right back at you, Penny.
Well, let's hope we have a quieter day from now on.
Hello? What's this?
Finished! I win!
But your pegs aren't even in properly.
Station Officer Steele, there's a fire on the island.
A fire? Quidlington, keep the cadets safe. We'll need to get to the boats.
We can't, sir. The fire's blocking our way. Then that means we can't get off the island. I'm afraid not, Elvis. And our phones have no signal. Follow me. There's only one way we can go. And let's hope someone in Pontypandy has seen the fire.
That doesn't look right. Too much smoke for a campfire. Better call Firefighter Penny.
There is a fire on Pontypandy Island.
There is a fire on Pontypandy Island. Tom,
We're going to need Wallaby too.
The fire is all around us, Sam.
If only I had my firefighting equipment.
need some help, Sam?
Thanks, Penny. Now, let's get to work. It looks like the fire started near the campfire circle.
Uh-oh. I may have... The Flintstones might have created a spark.
You must always be careful when starting a campfire, kids. Even a single spark can be very dangerous, especially near dry bushes.
Yes, I may have been responsible for leaving the Flintstones unattended. I do apologise. Fighting fires is easier than looking after these children, Sam.
Oh, you're right there. Especially when James and Sarah are arguing.
Oh, I don't argue.
You do!
No, I don't.
James, you're the biggest arguer ever!
You're a bigger arguer than me. Bigger times infinity.
No!
Smooth sailing!
Bye, Dad.
Bye!
Cheerio!
Well, I guess that's the end of our Brothers Weekend, eh, Sam? Sam?
Set a course for the coast of fair Pontypandy.
Oh.
Look out for the lights that are bringing me home.
Ah, hello. Oh, it's not the end of our Brothers Weekend. Oh, well, thanks to Penny, our weekend is just beginning. Oh, give it here. You always were better than me at starting fires.
For I have been sailing, not far and distant, but I will return through the waves, wind and foam.
Oh, I really can't wait!
This is going to be the most exciting day ever!
Hey, everyone! Are you ready for Moose's Mountain Hero Experience?
Yes! Yay! Yes, we are! I'm going to be the bravest mountain hero ever!
Great! So let's get started with the rope crossing of peril!
Oh, no! I don't like peril.
Yes!
That looks like my mum's washing line.
Come on, mountain heroes! Let's get crossing.
This is rubbish.
Even James wouldn't be scared on that.
Oh, no! I can't look.
Okay, team. Soon Station Officer Steele will be arriving in Wallaby 2 for the annual inspection.
And here he comes now.
Better get the tea on, Elvis. You know how much he likes one of your cuppers.
Oh, roger that, Penny.
Wallaby 2 to Mountain Rescue Centre. We've got a slight problem.
Sam, Woolly's on the helipad.
Yes, I can see that, Elvis. Come on. Shouldn't be too hard to move her off.
Stop the sheep! I want to get off!
Woolly, come back!
What?
Sam, I have a message from Station Officer Steele. He says, can you get that bully blighter off the helipad so I can have my cup of tea?
And now it's time for the next obstacle. The cliff face of fear.
Oh, no! I like fear even less than peril.
But it's only 2 inches off the ground! Oh, I'll never be a hero on that!
So, who's first, eh?
It says here that the grand finale is the zip line of doom.
Oh, that'll be as rubbish as the other 2.
And it says that it's the biggest zip line in the mountains.
Really?
Oh, too high! Too high!
If we sneak off now, we can zip down it and be ready for a second go by the time James has finished all this boring stuff.
Well, it is just down the forest trail.
We're just going to the washrooms, Moose.
Okie dokie.
Oh.
Will you just stand this thing? Hold on, sir. I'm going to try a little trick I learnt in the outback. Stand clear, guys.
I'm gonna try and shoot directly off the helipad with Wallaby 2.
Oh dear! Not feeling well.
Sorry, sir.
Here, Sam. Try this.
Great idea, Penny.
Here it is. And it looks brilliant. Oh, but maybe you should go first, Mandy.
You're the one that wanted to be the hero, Norman. But if you're too scared, I understand.
Too scared? A mountain hero is never scared.
Well, put this on then.
Oh, here we go. Mountain hero. Oh.
And it says you're supposed to wear this harness. Oh, you've gone.
Ah! Slow it down! Ah! Now I'm going round and round and and now I've got to fly up my nose.
You need to hold the handles to stop it spinning, Norman.
I can't hold.
Norman, are you okay?
Well, I am dangling from a very high branch and I've got to fly up my nose. So call Fireman Sam!
I think you'd better get Station Officer Steele his cup of tea, Elvis.
Yes.
Oh, just getting your tea, sir.
Oh, yes.
Norman Price has fallen off the zip line of doom and is stuck in a tree. And he's got to fly up his nose.
Penny, you take Venus. Helen, you follow behind in the mountain rescue ambulance. I'll go with Tom and Wallaby too.
Roger that, Sam.
Ready, Tom. Hang on, Norman. I'm nearly there.
At least the fly is out of my nose!
Tom, he's fallen into the river.
Get me in as close as you can. Roger that, Sam.
That's close enough, Tom. I'm going in.
Sam!
Penny, Sam and Norman are in the river.
Roger that, Tom. I'll try and intercept them downstream.
Sam! Sam!
Gotcha. Now stay calm, Norman. You're going to be okay.
No sign of them yet, Penny?
No. Where are they?
Where you?
There they are.
Sam, catch!
Got it, Penny! Pull us in!
He's okay, Sam. Nothing that a hot drink and a good rest won't fix.
Thanks, Helen. Now, you two, that was a very silly thing to do. Going off on your own and ignoring safety instructions.
Sorry, Fireman Sam.
And I'm sorry too. I just wanted to be a mountain hero.
A true hero always puts safety first, Norman. Come on, let's get you home. I wonder if Station Officer Steele ever got his cup of tea. I can't stop her, sir!
Get off my tea bag, you bleating bandit!